Welcome to my channel, everybody. Today I will do a drawing for Cancer, single Cancer, to see what is the person in their heart is thinking about them, and what is the future, possible future of their, if there will be any relationship between them. Right, this is a general love reading, so if the message what the spirit want to tell you doesn't fit your situation, please don't get upset. I can't read everybody's energies in the same time. I pick up on the most important energies, and usually is the energies that most Cancer are in the same situation. If this message is not for you, please don't get upset. Come back on another day or go to another tarot reader channels, and maybe you will have an answer there. But if you like it, like my video, please can you press the thumb up and subscribe to my channel, please. And oh yeah, right. Donc let's start. Before I do a drawing, I always clean the cards because I use it for other signs also. And me, first of all, I read energies, not cards. The cards are just like guidelines for me. And sometimes they just confirm this energy, what I can feel. I'm a medium also, so I don't really need cards for reading energies. It's enough if I hear the voice of somebody or have an object that this person used, or sometimes I touch the hand of my clients if they come here. Personally, I clean all the cards because I use many decks. And that one also, I will clean this one also. So I use tarot cards. I can read them if I want. I can ignore these energies, what I can feel and see and track. I can read them, of course, but I don't do that. I just use it as a guideline, or if I want to have a confirmation that I felt the right energy, because sometimes I'm too tired, I have doubts, sometimes I'm not sure, sometimes it's just something that tell me that yeah, you read well, it's this type of energy, you know. So but in reality I don't really need cards in this case, because I'm reading for all Cancers who's watching my channel. I need to draw cards because there are many people. I can't hear your voice. I can contact with you. I can read your energy through the cards. You understand? If you contact me and you want a personal reading, it will happen on Skype or Zoom. We will see. I will see you. I will hear your voice. And that will help me also to see. I will draw cards also. But it will be more accurate because I can captivate more essence of your energy. Okay? Right now, it's a general reading, so I pick up on different energies that all the Cancers who's watching me send to me. Do you understand? So that's why maybe it doesn't fit you 100%, just 50% or 80%, or maybe it doesn't fit you at all. Right, I already shuffled the card, I already prayed for it, but I still ask you, Spirit, come and show me the message that I need to give single Cancer about the person who is in their heart, Thank you, Spirit, for being here and helping me. Okay, can you give me card for Cancer, single Cancer, please? Can you give me the cards for single Cancer, please? Okay. All right. So far, I can feel one energy. Still one energy. It's sweet. It's a sweet energy. I really like it. This one is really... Okay. It's a very sweet... Right. You have a really nice guy here. Oh. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? Non. What did I do? Alright, I don't know if it's enough card, but I think it's enough. Right. I want to kiss you passionately and just look into your eyes. It's very sweet. And there is only one energy, huh? It's really rare. I always get 2 or sometimes 3 energies. I can't wait anymore. I love you. I want you. I just love your personality, integrity, strength. You turn me on. Can we please make love also? You drive this guy crazy, Cancer. I think you're a young woman, Cancer. I'm stalking on your social media. This guy is really dang of you. Really crazy of you. You are my soulmate. I talk to my friends about you. Oh no, this guy is already in love with you, huh? I miss you so much. Your absence is so painful. I think you slept with this guy. I can feel this sexual energy. I will change for you. Why does he need to change? You don't like something? Yeah. You brought sunshine in my life. I'm so jealous of you. I do not want you to go out with other guys. I don't think you do. Right, we have a nice energy here. We have a guy who is really in love with you. And you went out for a few days. You spent a few dates together. And you made love once. It was wonderful. I can feel this energy. You really liked it, Cancer. It was special for you and special for him. And he wants more of it, huh? He wants more of it. He really likes everything what you are. Your soul, your thinking, your integrity, your moral, everything. He loves it. But he wants more love. He wants more sex. He wants to sleep with you more often. You are the sunshine in his life, and he's jealous. Spirit, can you explain me why does he wants to change? This guy have an addiction. He loves alcohol. And I think you realize that. Yeah. He wants to stop. He wants to stop drinking so much alcohol for you. We talked about this. And you are here because you have doubts about this guy because of this addiction. You want to know. You need to break up with this guy or you need to continue. You don't know. And that's why you are here. You want an answer. Yeah. He wants to change for you. I can feel a soulmate energy, huh, Cancer. It's very strong. Me, I can't tell you what to do. I can tell you what energy I can read. I can tell you what the Spirit wants you to know. But what I can feel, this is a nice guy, okay? It's a honest guy. I think he doesn't have too much luck in life, huh? He has a problem at work. He was not lucky in love, so he started to drink, and he just slid into this alcoholism. It just came suddenly. But he has a worker. He works. He's like a normal guy. Just when he's really sad, depressed, because he needs you to lighten up his life, and you are not there, or I can feel that you had an argument with him because of the alcohol, and he really wants to stop drinking. It's up to you if you give him a chance or not. I want to see the personality of this guy. So Spirit, can you give me please 3 cards? I need 3 cards for the person of concern. Okay. Okay. Oh, why do I get always these cards, franchement? Okay, that is too many cards, and it's came out. Okay, this was enough. Okay, I got kangaroo and rat. Kangaroo is somebody who's pregnant, have many ideas. You can be pregnant with ideas. A business, not necessarily with a baby, especially when it's a man. We all know men don't get pregnant. So it's a guy who has dreams. He wants to have a company. He wants to build something big. That's what I can see here. We have the rat. Honestly, I don't understand why we have this card here. Sick, disease, survive all. This guy might be sick because of the alcohol consumption he did. He doesn't realize he's sick. He doesn't know. Okay, Cancer, you need to tell him to go and see a doctor. He needs to get himself checked out. I think he has a problem with the liver. You need to talk to this guy. This is not a bad guy, all right? I don't feel any negative energies. He has an addiction, but it's your soulmate, I think. There is a soulmate energy here. And I can feel soulmate energy only if it's your soulmate. If it's not your soulmate, I don't feel soulmate energy. So, listen, everybody can have many soulmates, not just one. I don't know if you will pass by this or you don't want it and you wait for the next one to come. But I can tell you soulmates are not running around in every corner. So you need to see what really you want from this guy. I can do a general reading also, 3 cards. Can you give me 3 cards, please, for Cancer, single Cancer? Something that could help her to decide what to do with this guy. Okay. Well, we have many cards, okay. Grudges are waste of perfect happiness. Love when you can, apologize when you should, and let go of what you can't change. Every blockage you have in your life is in your mind. Do what makes you feel good. Raise your vibration. Focus your attention on things that are important for you. Walk alone until someone is truly willing to walk with you. I think I know what is the problem. Yeah, but I can feel here this guy doesn't invest in this relationship. He's in need. He needs healing. He needs your help. He loves you. So far, what the cards saying here, if I want to read the card, yeah, he loves you. Yes, he's your soulmate. He's our colleague. He has enormous desire to be with you spiritually, emotionally, and sexually, especially sexually. I'm not saying it's just a sexual energy because it's not true. He loves you. There is a very strong love in his heart. The problem is not him. The problem is you. Walk alone until someone is truly willing to walk with you. What I can see, Cancer, that you have this guy. You give this guy lots of things. You give this guy your time. You give this guy your love, lots of love. You give this guy your body. Financially, you helped him also, I can see. You are on his side when he's low with this alcohol stuff. The problem are part of the sex and telling you how much he loves you and appreciates you, which is really nice. This guy doesn't give you back. He doesn't walk with you because you have problem in the life also, not just him. But to be honest, this guy can't walk with you because he doesn't have the capacity. He needs to heal. If he doesn't get out of this addiction, he won't have the character to be able to walk with you. Yeah, that is the problem here. Yeah. And you get angry with him because you feel like you're wasting your time. And grudges are waste of perfect happiness. You know, you can be happy while you are alone. And I have a feeling that you are with this guy because you can feel this love. And I think you love him also. But you get angry because you feel also that it takes so much from you. And you don't get anything out of this relationship. Which is not really a relationship yet because you are at the beginning. You have much more than dating, but you are not yet in a relationship. So grudges are waste of perfect happiness. Laugh when you can, apologize when you should, and let go of what you can't change. I think if this guy doesn't change, doesn't matter if he wants to. Sometimes you need to leave people around to go through hard, difficult times. I think you helped him. You try to help him. But he falls back again and again. And he's telling that I will change for you, but the change is not coming. That is the problem. You need to concentrate on your life, Cancer. Walk alone until someone is truly willing to walk with you. Focus your attention on things that are truly important for you. Okay? It's very important. Listen, that is the guidance that the Spirit gives you. I can't decide, the spirit can't decide in your place if you continue with this guy or not. But I can tell you it's a nice guy. There is a nice energy, it's your soulmate. One of your soulmate. But because of this addiction, this is very strong addiction for him, okay? It's not just like somebody who has an addiction, but not, it's a really tough alcoholic person. That's what I can feel. It's not just that after work he can't resist alcohol, donc regularly he gets drunk and he's crazy a bit when he's drunk. I can see this guy drinking alcohol in the morning. Weekend when he doesn't work, he drinks alcohol all day long. He is really addicted. It's everybody has his problem. He can come out of it if he wants, and you try to help him. But the problem you put on side your life, you know, it's not your husband yet. You give, and there is nothing in return. That is the problem with this relationship. I'm not saying that you leave him and you will be never ever be together. But what you need to do is walk alone for a while. Find your purpose in life. Focus your attention on things that are important for you. Build your life. Excuse me, I have again the hiccup. I had this hiccup, I need to drink a bit of water, I'm sorry. Right, so it's you who decide. But I think your guy needs to walk alone a bit, and you too. Give a bit of time separately. You can stay maybe friends with him and time to time see each other and see how is he doing. And if you see that he's not changing at all, I think if you can't live with an alcoholic person, you need to find another soulmate. But if you compromise or he change, that is the free possibility that he change, he stop being an alcoholic. So you can go and have a relationship with him because it's a nice person. I'm not saying it's not a nice person. In that case, it will be fine because he will be on your side. You need to make it clear for him that it's a 50-50 relationship. Or the second option, that you give up and you go to both of you in a separated way. Third option is you stay friends, you see time to time each other, and you can sometimes call him and tell him that you can do this, you know, just to encourage him so he can do this to give up this addiction. But you are not actively involved because it's taking up too much space in your life. And you hold up everything in your life for this guy. You give lots of things to him and you don't get anything back. And that is not normal in a relationship. Okay? There is a potential in this guy. I'm not saying maybe this is the free choice you have, Cancer. This is the free choice that you have. And you know to choose. You need to choose. If you want a personal reading, please contact me. And if you like my video, please press thumb up. And donations are welcomed. It would help my channel to grow if you want to donate to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. And I hope to that you will come back and see other videos also the next few days. Thank you. Bye bye.